Hi everyone, welcome to my daily watch list. Stocks with market cap below 60 million. So this is just the watch list. Okay, we have 12 items on a watch list. I have actually looked at all of them, and the only thing that I like is HYRE. The rest I don't like too much. So let's take a look at that HYRE. I like this one possibly right above that dynamic resistance here. Maybe even the second one. So we need to get above this level here and possibly above the dynamic resistance here. And I will be watching the volume as well. So if we get a volume like we had today, this has a chance. So let's take a look at some indicators too. So we had a fake out here. And this is not looking too bad. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so that's HYRE. Let's take a look at it. This is actually the second one I like. This one was not on a scanner, but I like this one as well. So I'm gonna be watching this one right above 505, and hopefully we're gonna get some volume here. So it had a nice run. So it cleared that counter trend here, and it got above very nicely to 505 and rejected 505 for now, and now we're trying to get above again. So let's see if we're gonna get some volume, and it's actually not looking too bad here. So there is some kind of confluence of dynamic resistance here and the dynamic support on this indicator. So let's see how this one is going to act. This indicator, the crossover was over here, right here. I can't actually move this one line, but you can see that it was over here. So it actually looks fairly nice too. And this indicator, number 3, looking nice as well. So it has some nice potential. So the last one would be SDPI. This one was on a scanner, I believe, on Monday. It had rejected the level that I was watching, at $1 level, because it didn't have enough volume. So I'm still watching this one. If it gets above $1 on the volume, I will consider. But like I said, it has to be a nice volume, and I have to see some nice action. So let's see how this looks like. So it actually looks okay too on the first indicator. So we might want to just gonna move this one. So we have a here, and the crossover was here. So it actually is looking fairly decent. But like I said, I need to see the volume. There was no volume today, just almost zero. So I have to see some good volume on this one. So let's see how this one goes. And that's all I have today. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow. And don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks all. Bye.